Hey guys, how's it going? Today, I want to talk to you about something really interesting, the Aqua Tower eBook. If you've been looking for a way to secure your own water supply without depending on expensive utilities, or if you love DIY projects and want something that's actually useful, then this might be exactly what you need. But what is the Aqua Tower? How does it work? And is it really worth it? I'm going to break it all down for you now. First things first, if you decide this is something you want to get, make sure you only buy it from the official website. There are knockoff versions floating around that won't give you the right information. To make it easy, I'll leave the official link below so you can check it out for yourself. So, what exactly is the Aqua Tower? Well, it's a digital guide that teaches you step by step how to build your own water tower that collects, purifies, and stores water, so you always have access to clean drinking water no matter what. This is a huge deal, especially with so many places experiencing droughts and water shortages. Having a reliable system like this can give you peace of mind and more independence. The ebook walks you through how to create an atmospheric water generator, or AWG, which basically pulls moisture from the air and turns it into clean, drinkable water. It's an amazing solution for reducing dependence on traditional water sources, and it's a lot more affordable than you might think. Inside the ebook, you'll get clear step-by-step instructions, even if you have zero technical skills. It's super beginner-friendly. Plus, there's a full list of materials and tools you'll need, and the total cost to build your system is usually around $200 to $300, which makes it a really budget-friendly project. You'll also get maintenance tips, design blueprints, and energy-saving strategies so you can keep your system running efficiently for a long time. So, is the Aqua Tower worth it? If you want to be more self-sufficient and secure your water supply without relying on expensive alternatives, then absolutely, it's a solid investment. Obviously, if you live in an extremely dry area, it may not be as effective, but for most people, it's a practical and affordable way to always have access to water. So, if this sounds like something you're interested in, check out the official link below for all the details. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.